How can I organize my digital study files effectively? Imagine opening your computer and instantly finding the exact notes or assignments you need. No more wasting time searching through cluttered folders. That's the power of good digital organization. To start, create a clear folder structure. Think of main folders as broad categories like subjects, semesters, or projects. Inside each, add subfolders for specific topics, types of files like notes, assignments, or presentations, or even by dates. This setup helps you locate files fast without confusion. Use descriptive and consistent file names. For example, name a file Biology Ecology Notes April 20 to 5v1 PDF. This way, you see what the file is about and its version at a glance. It prevents mix-ups when you have multiple versions of the same document. Set up a temporary folder labeled to sort or inbox where you can quickly drop new files. Schedule weekly sessions to move these files into their proper folders. This habit keeps your storage neat and prevents clutter from piling up. Take advantage of cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. They back up your files automatically and let you access them from any device. Plus, they often have quick access features for your most used files and tools for sharing and collaboration. Before starting a new semester or project, plan your organization system. Decide how to categorize files and set naming rules. Doing this early saves time later and keeps everything consistent. Use digital tools such as Notion, Evernote, or spreadsheets to track large projects. These tools help you log files, link related documents, and keep an overview of your study materials. Regularly delete or archive files you no longer need. This keeps your storage manageable and speeds up your workflow. In summary, effective digital organization comes down to a logical folder hierarchy, clear naming, a temporary sorting space, cloud backup, and regular upkeep. These steps save you time, reduce frustration, and help you stay focused on your studies.